EverWeb's PayPal widget can be used in a responsive page layout to create a great online shopping experience for your website. I'm going to create a responsive shopping page which includes product photos, product information, and a Buy Now button. I'm going to start by adding a blank responsive page to my website. For the PayPal widget to work properly in a responsive page layout, I need to place it in a responsive row widget, so I first drag and drop a responsive row widget onto the page. Now I go back to the Widgets tab and drag and drop the PayPal widget on top of the responsive row widget. With the PayPal widget in place, scroll down the widget settings to the product information section. Here you can add a product image to the widget. Click on the product image checkbox and then click on the image file choose button. Select the image to use for the product. When adding product images, you may want the image files to be the same height and width if you want them displayed evenly in a row. Click on the Use Product Description checkbox to add a product description in the Style text editor. Style and format the text as you want. Use the Form Alignment field to change how you want the objects to be aligned in the widget. You can also add a custom button image in the Custom Button Image section if you want. I'm going to go with PayPal's default Buy Now button. Once finished, complete the other PayPal widget fields as required. When creating more than one product for your page, you may want to duplicate the widget so that you can reuse it for other products. When duplicating the widget, remember to place the duplicate inside of the responsive row widget. To do this, secondary click on the duplicated widget. Select Embed In and choose the responsive row in which the duplicated widget is to be placed within. Once you have added all of your products, drag the widget handles for each PayPal widget so that the selection box extends to just below the bottom of the Buy Now button. Now select the responsive row widget itself so that you can insert a margin between each PayPal widget and add top and bottom margins if required. Set the vertical alignment to bottom so that the Buy Now buttons align at the bottom if you want them to, or select Top to align the widgets to the top of the images instead. Use the Metrics Inspector to add left and right margins to the responsive row widget, and use the Shape options to add background color to the responsive row widget as desired. Use Preview to test your page before publishing.